Sytox car.
In the fast-moving automotive world, the 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500 convertible stands out as a symbol of luxury and innovation. With its stunning design and cutting-edge technology, this model is a major highlight for luxury car enthusiasts. On the Sytox Car YouTube channel, we dive deep into every detail of this coupe, uncovering all its advantages. Captivating design. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 convertible boasts a striking design with sharp lines and balanced proportions. With a retractable roof, this car not only offers an exhilarating driving experience, but also accentuates its elegant and sporty appearance. The aggressive front fascia, featuring a large spindle grille and sharp LED headlights, gives it a futuristic look, while the aerodynamic body ensures optimal performance on the road. Impressive performance. Under the hood, the Lexus LC 500 convertible 2025 features a 5.0-liter V8 engine delivering 471 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination provides swift and responsive acceleration, making every drive an adrenaline-pumping experience. The adaptive suspension system and rear-wheel drive ensure precise handling and driving comfort. Advanced technology. Lexus's commitment to innovation is evident in the LC 500 convertible 2025, equipped with a range of advanced features, including the Lexus Safety System Plus. This car offers high levels of safety and comfort. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring provide additional peace of mind on every journey. With its luxurious features and technology, the 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500 convertible is an ideal choice for those seeking more than just a car. Its combination of alluring design, impressive performance, and comfortable interior makes it one of the most enticing convertibles on the market today. For in-depth reviews and the latest updates on the Lexus LC 500 convertible 2025, visit the Sytox Car channel. There, we not only provide the latest information on new vehicles, but also delve into every feature with details that will captivate your automotive interest. Don't miss the chance to see how this car can transform your driving experience.